everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sandy, so welcome. I am going to be doing a fun little project today, and I'm going to be using these guest checks and I'm turning them into a fun little pocket. So let's get started on it. So these guest checks I actually got at Walmart. I got them pretty cheap. They did come in like a pack of maybe 10 10 packs of the guest check packets, so you get a whole lot, but I'm going to turn these into a little pocket. And the first thing that I do, I'll show you, is I fold them up from the bottom. So the first thing I do though is I fold this over. You can tear this off if you want to, but I like to leave it on because it gives the pocket a little bit more strength. And then you can fold these up. You can make these pockets as big or as small as you like. And I just do, it's about an inch roughly is what this pocket is. And so it's not for anything super large. You can just put maybe like some playing cards in there or some small ephemera pieces. And then I will glue this little flap down. I just put some glue, and I am using my reptile glue. And then I'll glue this pocket down, but before I do that, I want to ink it up. So I hope you all are having a good day. It has gotten hot here in Kentucky. Whew! They weren't joking when they said a heat wave was going to be coming. And I'm using vintage photo. I also like to use tea dye. This distress oxide tea dyed. And the reason I wanted to ink before I glued it is so I could ink that little edge of the pocket. So then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right down here. I love, and I think I have seen some people find guest checks at Dollar Tree. Y'all tell me if you have. I have not, but I'll definitely keep looking. And I haven't looked on Temu because when I bought these at Walmart, I haven't run out of them yet, and I use them a lot, all the time. So my theme that I'm kind of working on this month for my patrons is a vintage 1950s, 1960s. And so I had these cute little retro, different little advertisement stickers, and I have these sweet little girls. They almost look like girls that are on the cover of Sewing Patterns is what they remind me of, and some doily and some bingo sheets. And I got these bingo sheets on Amazon. I can link those down below. But I have a little butterfly. So I'm just doing a little collage. So I've inked these up already, so I don't have to ink them up. But I'm just gluing them down into a little collage onto the guest check. And I've made some other ones. So I'll show you those after I get this one glued down. And I'm just putting a little glue on this off camera. Again, just using my reptile glue. You could also use your glue stick on these doilies. They don't need a ton of glue. And these doilies are, I think it's called Pink Studios or Pretty Little Studios. It's that brand. And I want to put my little bingo sheet actually underneath the doily. So I'm going to pull my doily back up before it completely dries. Yeah, these little bingo sheets, it comes in a set of 6, and each one's a different color. So it was perfect. I could find a yellow one to go with this particular theme here. And then I have this fun retro sticker, and then this little girl right here. So I think I'll put the sticker there and the little girl there. Or do I want the little girl over there? Yeah, no, I think I want her over here. So I'll put this sticker right about there. I love how quickly these are coming together for me. These pieces here I got on Temu. If you want a link for these different advertising pieces, let me know. And I think I got these little girls also on Temu. I got them a while back. And then I want to put a little butterfly on here. And I'll put the little butterfly. Oh, I could put it on her hand, but I'm going to put it over here. I like it over here. And then I sew around the edges. So let me show you the ones that I have done the sewing. And so you can kind of get a feel for how they look. So I just did some yellow thread. You can see that okay? But aren't these just... I think they're so cute. So cute. I love these. And the little advertisements, again, these were from Temu, like here's 7-Up. I just loved that they were, you know, they remind me of ads from the 50s and 60s. And these little girls are just precious. So precious. And I love that I had the different colored doilies that I could use with the different advertisement and the bingo sheets. And this doily, I actually inked it up. It was white, and I inked it up. And then this one. So just a really super fun project, but they're so cute, and they make fun, easy little pockets. So see, you could put a little tag in there or a playing card. This is just a little journaling card, but you could put all kinds of stuff in there. You could put I have these fun outdoor adventure stickers. You could put those down in there. Little playing cards. You could put just small little tags. So like here's a sweet little tag. You could make a couple little tags and put them down in there. And then when you pull them out, you have this cute, fun little collage on your guest check. And you can write on the back. So if you don't want to glue them in, you could just paper clip it in, or you could hinge it in, and then you can write on the back, or you can then tuck this into a pocket. So there's lots of ways to use these guest checks. And then, you know, if you do glue it in, then you just put a little tag in here, and then you can write on the back of your little tag that you make. So very versatile. I love all the fun colors that I use to make these, and I just think they're so cute. Let me know if you have a favorite. It's so cute. The oranges are so pretty, but I also love the green, and then the blue and the pink. Just so many fun colors. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and you have a super day, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.